Hey, what's going on everyone? In this video, I will show you how to research new ships in World of Warships. First, you need to earn XP. Play battles in random, co-op, ranked, or operations. By default, XP you earn goes to the ship you're playing. Next, open the tech tree. You can find it at the top of the screen. Choose a nation and ship line you want to progress. For me, I want to progress the battleship in Japan. Click on the ship next in line, and you'll see how much XP is required to research it. If you have enough XP on the previous ship, click on research, and after researching it, you still need credits to buy the ship before using it. Helpful tips: upgrade ship modules first to earn XP faster. Use XP boosters. Play well to earn more base XP. And elite ships or premium ships can be converted to free XP. You can also use free XP to research ships faster. And that's it. Earn XP, open the tech tree, research the ship, and buy it to keep progressing in World of Warships.